So I'm having an issue here with my lock from my toolbox, a Snapon KRL series. Somehow the lock got stuck right in the middle. Luckily I have a spare key. So basically what's happening is this little hump won't let me insert the key. Because it is hitting this piece. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grind that down. So whenever this happens, you must replace your lock anyway. But this is just a quick fix to just open it in case you need something from your box, because my drawers were locked. So I had to get my car keys out to get home, and this saved me.